Welcome back to the Auto Turbo Cars, the place where car lovers meet technology, speed and pure automotive thrill. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button because here we bring you the most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today we have something groundbreaking to talk about: the brand new 2026 Tesla Model S, the next generation electric sedan that's shaking the industry to its core. Tesla has always been at the forefront of electric innovation, but with the unveiling of the 2026 Model S, the game has completely changed. We're not just talking about an update, we're talking about a radical leap forward. This is not the Model S you've seen before. This is a new chapter in Tesla's history, and it's going to redefine what we expect from a luxury electric sedan. So what makes the 2026 Model S so special? First, let's talk about the design. The exterior has been fully reshaped to offer a futuristic aerodynamic silhouette. Tesla claims it is the most aerodynamic production sedan in the world, with a drag coefficient so low that it even outperforms some hypercars. The front fascia now carries sleeker adaptive LED headlights and a sharper nose that makes it look more aggressive yet elegant. The rear has been redesigned with a continuous light bar and a more sculpted bumper, giving it a bold and dynamic stance. The wheels are aero-optimized too, ensuring maximum efficiency without sacrificing aesthetics. Step inside and you'll realize Tesla has doubled down on luxury and innovation. The interior feels like stepping into the future. Minimalism has always been Tesla's style, but now they've combined it with sophistication. Premium recycled materials are used everywhere with optional sustainable leather finishes. The massive 18-inch infotainment display is more advanced than ever, powered by Tesla's latest generation infotainment system that's as fast as a high-end gaming PC. In fact, Tesla demonstrated how you can play next-gen games inside the car with console-level graphics. The yoke steering wheel is still available, but now you also get the choice of a conventional steering wheel due to customer demand. The customizable ambient lighting system wraps around the cabin, giving a truly futuristic feel, and of course you have the panoramic roof stretching across the car for that open-airy atmosphere. But the real story of the 2026 Tesla Model S lies under the skin. This machine is all about performance and efficiency. Tesla is introducing a brand new battery technology using next-gen 4680X cells, which increase energy density, improve charging speeds, and extend lifespan. The result, a record-breaking range of up to 520 miles on a single charge. That's right, over 500 miles of real-world range, something we could only dream about a few years ago. And when it comes to charging, the Model S is now compatible with Tesla's V5 superchargers, which can add up to 300 miles in just 12 minutes, making long-distance travel smoother than ever. Performance lovers, this is where it gets exciting. The base dual-motor all-wheel drive model already delivers mind-blowing acceleration with 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds, but Tesla didn't stop there. The 2026 Model S Plaid Plus is back, and it's more extreme than ever, featuring a tri-motor setup producing over 1200 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 1200 horsepower in a family sedan. This beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.8 seconds, making it the fastest production sedan ever built. Top speed 227 miles per hour, which is insane for a four-door electric car. Handling has also received a massive upgrade. The new adaptive air suspension has been engineered with AI-powered predictive technology. It scans the road ahead in real time, adjusting damping and ride height instantly, giving you both comfort and sports car agility. Tesla has even introduced torque vectoring for the first time in the Model S, improving cornering precision to supercar levels. Safety has always been a Tesla stronghold, and the 2026 Model S takes it further. The car comes standard with full self-driving hardware 5, which Tesla claims is their most advanced yet, with 360-degree radar, lidar, and camera integration. The AI system has been trained on billions of miles of driving data, making it the safest, most capable autopilot system to date. Tesla says that by 2026 this system will allow for fully autonomous driving in most regions, pending regulatory approvals. Now let's talk about price. This is where jaws will drop. The base 2026 Tesla Model S starts at $92,000, which is higher than the previous generation, but considering the leap in range, performance, and features, it's still highly competitive. The Plaid Plus version starts at $149,000, which puts it in the same conversation as high-end Lamborghinis and Ferraris. Yet this is a family-friendly luxury sedan with 4 doors and massive practicality, and let's not forget almost zero running costs compared to gas-guzzling supercars. Tesla has also paid attention to sustainability. Every Model S is built in gigafactories powered by renewable energy with improved recycling processes for old batteries. The company claims the 2026 Model S has the lowest carbon footprint of any luxury sedan on the planet, making it not only fast and luxurious but also environmentally responsible. The unveiling event was nothing short of spectacular. Elon Musk took the stage and boldly claimed that the new Model S is not just a car, it's the future of transportation. According to him, this car represents the beginning of a new era where electric vehicles aren't just alternatives, they're superior in every possible way, from range to speed to intelligence. So the big question is, should you buy the 2026 Tesla Model S? If you're someone looking for the perfect balance between luxury, performance, technology and sustainability, the answer is absolutely yes. This car isn't just another step forward, it's a giant leap. It proves that electric cars are not only the future, they're already surpassing the best gas-powered cars ever made. Imagine driving a car that can out-accelerate a Bugatti, outrun a Ferrari, and yet still take your family on a 500-mile road trip with zero emissions. That's what the 2026 Tesla Model S delivers. It's not just a car, it's a revolution on wheels. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the groundbreaking 2026 Tesla Model S. What do you think of Tesla's next-gen sedan? Is it the future of performance and luxury, or do you think competitors like Mercedes, BMW or Audi can catch up? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. This is the Auto Turbo Cars bringing you the hottest automotive news. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more epic car updates. Until next time, keep your engines, or in this case your batteries, roaring.